You have watched hundreds of YouTube videos, read tons of articles, and maybe even bought some courses. You feel like you are learning, but deep down, you know you are not really getting anywhere. Sounds exactly like your situation, right? Even I was stuck in this cycle. Today, I am going to tell you one simple thing that changed everything for me and might change everything for you too. So, watch the video till the end and listen to each and every word properly. Let me tell you about 12-year-old me. I was obsessed with coding, especially Python. I used to spend hours watching tutorials, feeling like I was learning too much. But even at 12, I had this weird feeling. I knew I was going to forget everything until I actually apply what I learn. It was just wasting my time. It was my brain warning me about what I now call the tutorial trap. Here's the biggest mistake I see people making. They just keep watching videos and pretend that they are learning, but that's not the case. Learning and watching videos is very different. They get this fake feeling of progress by just watching videos. You watch a video, you nod along, and then nothing changes. You forget everything. Your brain needs you to actually do stuff, struggle with problems, solve them, learn through it, not just watch others doing it. But most people never take that scary jump from just watching to actually doing. That's what makes the difference. That's what separates the top 1% from the others. Recently, I wanted to learn about AI agents. Now, here's what I did not do. I did not go on YouTube and watch 50 videos about AI agents. I just learned the basic stuff and jumped into it. I faced a lot of errors I'd never seen before. But does your life end there? You can solve them. There's always a way to solve each and every problem. Nothing in the world is solutionless. After every failure, I'd learn something new. And that's what learning is. You do stuff, you fail, you learn what not to do, what to do. That's what learning actually is. I had to figure out solutions, search for them everywhere, understand them properly, solve them. That's the learning process. And finally, at the end of this messy process, I learned a lot. A lot means exactly that. I had finally learned everything I needed to know about AI agents. And that's how learning happens, by actually doing stuff. That's when it hit me. I had actually found the secret to learn anything faster than ever before. The secret is simple but powerful. Learn by doing, just doing stuff. Fail harder, get better after every try, get better after every failure. Learn something new. And always remember, nothing changes if nothing changes. This is not just about coding, it works with everything in your life. As soon as I learn some fitness hack, I apply it the same day. Each and every time I learn something new or come across something new, I apply it as soon as possible. That's how you remember what you learn. And that's how you actually learn. This works for everything because your brain does not learn by watching. It learns by actually doing. If you're stuck in this loop of just watching videos, stop right now. Go and do stuff. Fail. People will laugh. They'll forget after 2 weeks. No one cares. Everyone has problems. Fail, learn, go through the process. This approach has completely changed my life because now I know how to learn new things super fast. I'm really grateful for figuring this out too early in life. I'm still 18. Here's a bonus tip. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini while you are actually doing stuff, not just watching videos. Leveraging AI with learning is the best thing you can do right now in today's world. It makes your learning process even faster. When you get stuck while building or solving problems, ask them specific questions about your real problems. That's how you use them, not just randomly typing any prompt and doing time pass. So now let's conclude the video. Always remember, your brain does not learn by watching. It learns by doing. Stop being someone who just watches videos and start being the person who actually does stuff. Execution is what will separate you from others. The knowledge you need is already in your head right now. You just need to have the courage to use it properly. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one thing you have been watching videos on and learning and go do it right away. Just do it. Don't think about anything. Just start doing it. And after you start it, Share your experience in the comment section below. I want to hear about your biggest failure. Trust me, it's going to change everything for you. Your change does not start tomorrow, it starts with what you do next. Just do it.